Introduction to Fidelity Bond Investing. Fidelity bond investing is a low-risk investment strategy that provides a fixed return over a specified period of time. It is a type of debt security issued by companies to raise capital. When you invest in a Fidelity bond, you essentially lend money to the company, which promises to pay you back with interest. Key concepts. Fidelity bonds have a face value, also known as the principal, which is the amount you invest. They also have a coupon rate, which is the interest rate paid periodically. The maturity date is when the bond expires and the company repays the principal. Benefits of Fidelity bond investing. Fidelity bond investing offers several benefits, including low risk, regular income, and diversification. Bonds are generally less volatile than stocks, making them a good option for conservative investors. They also provide regular income through interest payments, which can help offset inflation. Additionally, bonds can help diversify a portfolio, reducing overall risk. Practical example. For example, suppose you invest $1,000 in a Fidelity bond with a 5% coupon rate and a 5-year maturity. Each year, you will receive $50 in interest, and at the end of 5 years, you will receive your $1,000 back. This provides a predictable return and relatively low risk. Best practices. To get the most out of Fidelity bond investing, it is essential to evaluate the creditworthiness of the company issuing the bond. A company with a good credit rating is more likely to repay the bond. It is also important to consider the interest rate environment and the overall market conditions. Additionally, diversifying your bond portfolio by investing in bonds with different maturities and credit ratings can help minimize risk. Conclusion. Fidelity bond investing is a low-risk investment strategy that provides a fixed return over a specified period of time. By understanding the key concepts, benefits, and best practices, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. With its low risk and regular income, Fidelity bond investing can be a valuable addition to a diversified investment portfolio.